Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk about VAPOUR Organic Beauty. I actually requested some free samples that they were giving away a few weeks ago. I'd also like to thank Candy's Review Saver for letting me know about the samples that were available. So when it arrived in the mail, it arrived with all this great stuff. And basically they sent me 3 of their products. And they're pretty much like dime-sized slices of each product. So this is what they look like. This one's their Halo Illuminator, so it's pretty much like a highlighter. And again, it's pretty much like a slice of their full-size product. And the Illuminator I really did like. I'll talk about that more a little bit later, but as you can see, it is about a dime size. This is actually their lipstick that's called Siren in Tempt, and it's kind of like a mauve shade. For me, it was almost like my natural lip tone, so it wasn't too bad. I really did like it. It gives me more of a neutral lip. And they also sent me another product called Aurora Cortison, and that one's like a multi-use product, so you can use it for your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes. And again, as you can see, it's kind of like a pinkish shade. And they all pretty well worked well with my skin tone, which we'll see in just a bit. And this was just the first time that I tried it nearly 2 weeks ago to kind of highlight what it looks like. And as you can see, that's sort of what the highlighter looks like. I have a better picture that I took today to illustrate it. And then this is the actual Cortison, the multi-use. So it does give you a nice pink shade. Depending on how much you use, it will be more prominent, but the pigment is very, very pretty. And then this is the lip shade, as you can see. And again, it was pretty much close to my natural lip tone almost, which is nice because I really did like it. This was a better picture that I took today, so you can really notice the lip and you can notice the eye product. And then this again was another picture that I took today, and you can see that the multi-use product, you could tell a little bit better from this photo. And then I took a picture outside, and you can see that it did show up fairly well. I think I needed to put a little bit more of the lip or the multi-use product on. And then as you can see, there's the highlighter. So the Illuminator really does illuminate really well. So stay tuned. I have a little more that I'd like to share. Hi everyone. I want to give you guys a little more information about these VAPOUR Organic Beauty products. So I never really used what I considered a organic beauty product. So this was kind of interesting. And since they were giving away the free samples, I figured I'd try it. And I was really happy with it. I was very surprised with it. All in all, I think it worked well. I'm still wearing it right now. As you can see, it might be a little hard to tell. But all in all, I was happy with it. I think it worked well with my skin tone, and I was very, very happy with the product. So let me just give you the rundown again of this. So this is the actual lip color, and I'm wearing it now, and it's a little hard to, again, kind of tell you what it looks like. So this is pretty much what I have left, which really isn't much. And it's kind of, again, like a mauve color. So this is actually, it's like a cream. It's pretty much like a lipstick, but it's a little more creamy. So I ended up just using my finger, and I dabbed it on. So basically it stayed on, and I had lunch earlier and everything, and it stays in place, and I kind of liked it because it just kind of gave me more of a neutral lip. And let's move on to the Illuminator. The Illuminator a little bit goes a long way. So again, this is what the little container looks like. And as you can see, I still have a lot left, but it really does give you, and again, it's a cream. It's almost like a cream base. This is what it looks like on my finger. Then tap it here. And when the light hits it a certain way, you do notice it a great deal. But I was very happy with it. It really does work great. I actually like to use the Illuminator on my eyeshadow to give it a little bit more of a shimmer. So this I'm going to hang on to because this is really worth it. And the last one, if you'll bear with me for just a second while I clean my fingers, is the multi-use product, which is the Cortison, the Aurora Cortison. And again, it's a little dime size, and it's a pink shade. And again, it's a cream product. So as you see, it's like a rose product. It's a rose color. And then you can just tap it on your face. I actually used a brush earlier. It worked a lot better. But as you can see, it's pretty much there. And then depending on how much you put on, you'll notice it more. But I think it worked fairly well. I really did like it. I liked it kind of as an underbase for my eyeshadow, so which I'll put a little bit on right now so you guys can see it. So basically, it doesn't look too bad. And again, the more you put on, or at least the little more that you tap on, the more you'll notice it, or at least for me, I did. So that was that. So I can say pretty much for the first time use of using organic skin products, I was very happy with it. It worked well. It didn't irritate my skin. It was a lot better than I expected. So I was very happy with it. So please check them out, and I'll add the links underneath in the video description to all of the products. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see.